Howdy marketers, I'm Cirian from Clear Imaging, and this is Marketing Bites. In today's video, we're going to be giving you some marketing info without any of the fluff, and we're talking about Google My Business. It's free, and you really need to get involved with it. Here's 5 reasons why you should. Right off the bat, the importance of getting the reviews. And not just a few. You need to get over 30. You need to get up to 30 as soon as possible. It's just a good number. You don't want to be like this guy. I go to Electrician Tampa and I scroll down, and someone like this who doesn't have any, it's actually invisible to me as the prospect. If we put landscaper, I'm not even going to see that. I'm expecting the stars. I don't see them, so I'm going to glaze right over that. You really don't want people to glaze over you. So you want to have reviews, then you need to have the quantity, right? When we look at this one right here, 698, this guy is getting business just because of those reviews. Now I know that takes a lot of work, but let's get you out of the single digits into the double digits and with your target on the triple digits. Because once you eventually get there, he's only going to be getting business because of that number. You may even have better service, quality, and products than this guy, but the customer doesn't know that. They're just going to go for the reviews. So now that you know this, really double down and get up to 30, and then up to 50, and then up to 100. So the next point, that was point number 1. Point number 2, so we got to get those reviews. How are we going to do it? Very simply, in person. If you're in a service-based industry, you finish the job, you're taking payment, and you say, hey, I would just like an honest review. We would love some feedback from you on the work you did, on the work we did with you. Next, if you're in a store selling products, you can train your cash register staff to, after they accept payment for the item, and say, could you please give us a review? And you could even hand them like a little card with a link or a QR code they can scan. But you have to get into the habit of having your sales staff start asking. You won't get them unless you ask. The amount of reviews you get if you don't ask is very, very few. You have to prompt people. Another way is getting on to email. So you go to MailChimp.com. It's free. And what you're going to do is you're going to upload a spreadsheet of your past and current customers, first name, email, in a spreadsheet, upload it. It's free. And then you can put together an email to them asking if they could give you a review, please, asking for an honest review. You say, hey, it's Jim from blah, blah company. We did some work with you in the past. I just want to reach out and get some feedback. How did you like that work? Could you leave us a review? And for the link, you want to give them a link to your review page. So what you'll do is you'll go to Google My Business. Obviously, you need to have your account set up. So go to business.google.com if you don't have your free Google My Business profile. Once you do, you'll be here at the main dashboard. Right here, get more reviews, share review form. You're going to click this, all right? And then it's going to give you a link that you can paste in to your MailChimp email, and people can just click this link and then go directly to your review page. No instructions like, okay, so type us in on Google, our company name, and scroll down, you'll see a little thing, and click there, and then leave the review. None of that. You go here, click this button, you get the link, you're good to go. You send it out. All right, let's talk about some other things. One thing really cool, the third item here is making posts on Google My Business. That's over here, posts. You can go in here and publish content, and it's going to appear down here. So you're basically getting free advertising. When people Google your company, they'll see your profile, they'll scroll down, and then they're going to see your content. Google is featuring it. You're going to get traffic from this. It's free advertising, and really, you can't lose because you're building more reputation with Google by showing them that you're alive and you're publishing content. So that's good for that reason as well. Another thing, you want to get Google My Business added to your website. So if this was your website, you've got your social media icons up here. This is Google Maps. So, add a little Google Maps image. And then for the link, once again, go back into Google My Business, click on Info, And this, share your business profile. You're going to click this and you're going to make that the link to this button. Okay, so when people click this button, it's going to take them correctly to your profile by using this link. All right. Okay, next, number 5 on my list here is how all this really helps your Google ranking. So as you know, there's several things that go into a website search engine rank. Now, 2 of them is creating quality content and getting reviews. There are others like links, etc. But if you're creating quality content over here, you're getting traffic, and then you're soliciting reviews using MailChimp or whatever, and you're getting those reviews here, you will move up in your local search results. So Google's seeing that your website isn't dead, it's alive. People are leaving feedback. They're leaving reviews. Companies that don't get reviews don't seem alive. So you're just putting life into your company by getting those reviews and publishing content. You're showing Google, hey, I'm here, I exist. And those are my 5 tips. Do those, get aggressive with it, and then you're going to see results. But you have to keep at it. Keep at it week in, week out, and then you're going to see results with your SEO eventually. So I hope you found that helpful. This is us again, Clear Imaging. If you need any help with your website, we here at Clear Imaging have been helping small business owners manage their websites since 2004. We're super dependable, always answer emails, and get the job done. That's why we've been around for so long. So come on over to the contact page and leave us a note and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Until then, have a great day.